Hello everyone. Today we are at Hampi, which is close to 380 kilometers away from Bangalore. There is a nearby airport at Vidyanagar, which is close to 30 kilometers from the main city, which is like an hour journey by road. And we came from there. So there is few cities which has a connecting flight from Vidyanagar. And then right now we are staying at Evolve Back Hampi, which is one of the heritage palace canteen property, which is located in the city of Kumulapur. This is close to 10 kilometers away from Hampi, and this is a very beautiful, luxurious property. It is kind of set up. It takes you back to the glorious, history of 14th century of Vijayanagar Empire, and it's been set up in the same theme. So there are three categories of room at Evolve Back Hampi. One is your Nilaya, second is Janana, and the third one is your Jai Mahal. The property tariff kind of ranges based on the categories of room. The base category is Nilaya, which starts at 32K, and it varies till 58K, which is the Jai Mahal, which is the highest level of property, and we are staying at that. Jai Mahal is the only category of room which has the private pool. The rest of the two categories have private jacuzzi included in your room. While we kind of take you in the room, we will show you the various amenities and the complimentary stuffs that you get. There are also complimentary activities within the property. It starts at close to 7 a.m., which is the nature walk, and then it also happens in the evening at 5:30, wherein they will show you beautiful birds around the property. And it is a as I wouldn't have mentioned it before. It's surrounded by forest, right? Currently, I'm standing at the open lawn kind of an area wherein, it's just opposite to the place where we have our lunches and dinners and high tea. This is kind of prepared in the theme of Krishna Devarai's courtyard form. Since it's a palace, so they have made that kind of setup. And lot of folk dance and flute music and other performances happens with various well-renowned artists. Yesterday we already experienced one, and today we are yet to expect something really different, and we'll talk more about that. So this is the common pool area. It is an infinity pool besides the room pool which you have in Jai Mahal, which I spoke about. This is the common pool which you can use with your family, and it's pretty hot, so it's difficult to kind of use it, but it's really amazing view, because as you can see the soothing nature around it. There is a forest view there, and it's really beautiful and amazing. And while I walk this stair, somehow I really find this amazing to walk through them. So let's go and check out the high tea, which is just facing the pool. The place where the high tea takes place every evening, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. and various different varieties they kind of keep. Today they have egg puff, cheese puff, brinjal pakora, and they have jam peanut butter sandwich, which is with the brown bread, which is a healthy stuff now. And these are the couple of assorted pastries. Then they have cupcakes and muffins. We have cucumber tomato sandwich too. Looks yummy. This is my favorite counter because it has all the mixtures of Karnataka, the murg, banana chips and bundi, and this hot chips. And this is very nice. It's roasted girmit, which is kind of your homemade mixture that they prepare. And they keep various form of juices. This is mixed fruit juice and strawberry milkshake, but if you order orange or something else, they kind of give you on need basis. So right now I'm sitting at the bar of Evolve Back, which is again facing the common pool here, and the bartender is making a nice lime soda for me at the bar. But so other than the family pool, this is a temperature controlled pool which is located near the kids play area, and attached to this there is also a kids pool. As I said, they both are temperature controlled. Sometimes during winter it gets too chill, so it's very convenient for the guest. And now let's see the kids play area. Actually, even adults can play those indoor games, but it's specifically designed for the kids. Um, this is the carom here, and they have two carom boards here. They also have a chess. And if you go inside specifically for the toddlers and the infants, they have a nice area which is safe for them to kind of roll and play with the ball. And they have some small kids games like we see here, we call this snakes and ladders. And then they have some fancy stuff, Ludo. And this is the area which I was talking about. For the infants and toddlers, they can kind of roll, they won't get hurt. There are a lot of balls here, and they, on your request, they give you certain other stuff to keep them occupied. Also, I forgot to mention about the various species like birds, which is there in Hampi. There are ample amount of birds over here, and you see around the property also. In the morning and evening, they take you for the nature walk, wherein you kind of see a lot of beautiful birds. And I will share certain, photos and pictures in my videos of those birds, and I will share the stories around that.
Bird is sitting on rolling around the
Yeah,
ground.
I can see a bird.
Yeah. Around,
Down.
yeah,
So there.
straight, just straight.
Down and straight.
Yeah, down and straight. So you know what that is?
Yeah, I could spot it.
Yeah.
And I spotted another small bird.
Yeah.
Wow, it looks like near only.
It's very small.
Too many birds are here.
Yeah.
I spotted a bird that's very small.
There.
Yeah, that one.
So we are all set for the nature walk in the evening, which happens at 5. And today our naturist Abhijit will be taking us to a beautiful place wherein we are going to spot a lot of beautiful birds. And I'm really excited for this. And as I go, I will also take you along to show the journey. As you can see, this is the final stage of our trek and the nature walk, and the beautiful view from here. I mean, you can see the 360-degree view of Hampi, and this is the Evolve Back resort where we are staying. The panoramic view of the resort, as well as the beautiful sunset, pink color sun behind us, which is slowly going down.
Pinkish orange.
And it's, yeah, pinkish orange. It's really beautiful and soothing, because being inside the forest, just 4 of us, the 3 of us and the naturist, none of the person was there. So it was really soothing, and this is my second experience into the forest like this after Rishikesh, and this is my third trek. So I'm just loving it, and I think there are more to go.
Yeah.
So now we will be going ahead for the library and the story telling session. It happens every night at 7:30 in the library of Evolve Back. It's a beautiful session. We have attended it from the past 2 days, and this is our third and the last one, because we are checking out tomorrow. It's really nice. They take you back to the Vijayanagar century. It's a 14th century histories, and how the entire palace and the kingdom got destroyed. And they also talk about our history about Ramayana and Krishna. And there are a lot of other historical beautiful stories about Shiva Parvati, which is residing in Hampi. So we'll listen to more with Videsh. So this is where we are going to hear our story telling session, and look at the beautiful setup over here. It's really peaceful and soothing, and he's the one who is going to tell us the ancient stories over here. So here we are at our room, which is Gem Hill, and it's a beautiful cottage, or I would say a house in itself. This is the entrance area where you can sit and munch on food, and then this is the room. Sorry, we are about to check out today, so it's gonna be a little messy, but still, just to give you a brief, here is the tea and coffee making, and this is the RO water which comes 24/7 for you. Then there is a mini bar wherein they provide complimentary soft drinks. We consume couple of them, but you can refill them based on your need. And there used to be okra chips and dry fruits, which we have already consumed. It is really delicious because they are roasted. And obviously there's a kettle to make the tea. This is the hall kind of dining area or whatever you can call it, wherein you can sit and watch your TV and have food. And this is the jacuzzi. Outside there is a pool for us, wherein we kind of dip ourselves in the summer. And this is the bed overlooking the forest. So it's a beautiful view you get in the morning when you get up from your balcony. And there is a nice mirror to get dressed up, which is placed twice in two places in the room. And this is the washroom. Again, a room in itself. Private. So there's a bathtub, then there is a washing area, and there's a restroom here, and then we have already messed it up, but whatever. There is two places to kind of have your you can get ready. So this is about a room. So here we are at Bahamani restaurant, the specialty restaurant of Evolve Back Resort. This is based on the Islamic theme. So as the name says, since Krishna Dev Rai was a liberal person and he was always welcoming all the cultures of all religions, so he kind of had set up something like this in his kingdom. So they kind of evolved the same kind of theme and had set up this kind of a restaurant. So thought everybody get a chance to kind of have a dinner over here. You need to do a prior booking of close to 48 hours prior to your dinner time, and very few lucky guests had the chance of getting a nice time over here. So as you can see, there are no artificial lights. It's all candle lit and beautifully set up in between the small lily pond.